Hey there! So, imagine you're working on your VirtualBox with Kali Linux installed, and you notice that your IP address is not matching your gateway and subnet IP. That's a common problem that many users face when setting up their virtual machines. In the solution provided, the key to fixing this issue lies in the network settings of VirtualBox. You need to make sure to switch from using NAT to a bridged adapter. However, if simply changing to bridged adapter doesn't work, the problem might be due to the bridge settings or the interface not being enabled. To tackle this, you'll need to navigate to the VirtualBox settings and select the bridged adapter option. From there, ensure that you choose the correct physical interface, such as Intel or Wi-Fi 6, instead of the virtual one. This step is crucial to establishing the correct connection between your VM and the network. In addition, if you're still facing connectivity issues, another approach involves creating a network bridge from your host machine. By accessing the network connection settings on Windows, you can add a network bridge and configure it to link with your VirtualBox using the appropriate physical interface. In summary, to resolve the IP mismatch problem between your VM and network, make sure to switch to a bridged adapter in VirtualBox and select the correct physical interface. If needed, create a network bridge from your host machine to establish a seamless connection. I hope this information helps you troubleshoot and fix any networking issues you encounter. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any networking jokes you might have.